put Viv there. Cherry, Cherry. Cherry the berry. Cherry. 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 He knows his name by Cherry. Because he's gonna respond. Cherry. Cherry, Cherry. How long, honey pie pot? 59?
Yeah, it's up to you. If you want to use it, I don't. If you want to use it as a short, under 1 minute.
1 minute?
If you want to use it as a long, you can go 3 minutes on that. Easy.
No.
You can do both. You can keep that one going and then make a short.
What?
After.
You okay? I gave you food already. Hmm? What? Cuddle? Huh? Cherry? You want cuddle? Hmm? Cherry the berry? Hmm? He like to suck by my finger on his mouth. He's weird. Look. But he's not gonna bite me. He's just doing like that. Hey, Yellow. Poor Yellow. It's better you gonna friend with him, Yellow. Huh? Gonna friend with Cherry the berry? Huh? Yellow? Or you gonna bully him? Hmm? That's enough, I think. 1.